Hi, this is Shruti from TechPledge Consulting, and this time I have came up with very special topic, and that is IP schema or IP address. Since I have received too many requests from most of the participants from various background, Azure admin or AWS admin, MCSU students, Linux admin, and I feel this is something very puzzling for even experienced people. So when you are creating Azure vNet or AWS VPC, IP schema is something which is very important. So here we go.
Networking, if I'm talking about the address, there are two types of address. One is permanent address and second one is temporary address. Okay. So what is that permanent and what is that temporary? Permanent address, if I'm saying about the permanent address, then you know about the MAC address, right? MAC address that is linked with your all the like systems also. My laptop also has one permanent address, that is MAC address. That address anyhow I can't change. If there are some kind of like hacking also of MAC addressing and all, they can't replace it. They can do anything else for that, but anyhow if any hardware company is giving you the MAC address to any device, it can't be changed. So it is permanent address. If I am talking about the temporary address, so then I can say about the IP address. IP is nothing but the internet protocol. Protocol means sets of rules or rule also. If I am talking about the English word protocol, IP address we can say it is a temporary address, not permanent. Okay, temporary, because any IP is available anywhere in the networking. If you want to use it, it can assign you at that time also, and it can change also. It's not that if I am working on one IP now, it will be same afterwards also. So it is temporary address. So finally, addressing a network, if I am talking about the addressing, there are two types of address, permanent and temporary. Permanent is MAC address, which is linked with each and every device, and for router connecting with the router and all, MAC addressing is used. And if I am talking about temporary, then it is IP address, that is internet protocol. So we have two type of IPs available. There are two types of there are two types of IPs are there. One is okay. There are two types of IPs. One is IPv4, means IP version 4, and second one is IPv6. What is the difference between the version 4 and version 6? If I'm telling about the version 4, so in version 4 we have 32 bits on which nowadays we are working on. We are not working on the IPv6 nowadays. If I am telling about the IPv6, we have 128 bits in IPv4 6. But nowadays we are not up to this. We are only working everything up to the 32 bits. Okay, so what we are going to solve, what we are going to like division of class A to do the division of class A, class B, class C, what we are going to do the subnetting, classless, classful, all we will do for the by considering the 32 bits only. Now the
Like in IPv4, we have four octets.
yeah,
So in IPv6, how it works?
actually it is 128. So we will divide equally in number of.
So do you mean like if we divide it in six, so it would be 128 divided by 6, is it?
Yeah,
So how much it would be?
it will be okay.
21 point something. So how to make it?
Yeah, that's what nowadays we are nowadays we are not up to that 128 bits. We are working for the 32.
No, I'm just curious how the bit structure would look like.
Yeah, okay. I'm calculating it. Okay, then I'll let you know.
Because in 32 bit, we have, let's say 192.168.56.173. So it is 1 octet 8888. 4 octet. So I thought like in 6 there could be 6 octets or 6 something like this. So,
yeah, it can be 6 something like that. If I am calculating it later, it is my calculator. But if we are calculating 128 bit by like 6 or 888, it would not be by 6, it will be by 8. We will divide in blocks of 6, but we will divide by 8. So if I am dividing by 8, it will be 8 ones are 8, 4 will be there, 8 6 are 48, means 16.
8 6
See, if I am dividing 128 by 8, what will be the output?
8 ones are 8.
Then 4 will be there. 48, 8 6 are 48, means 16.
So it would be a 16-digit number.
Yeah, we can give that number of bits. Here we are working for 8 bits. What we are going to solve is from 2 to the power 0 to 2 to the power of 7. But their range will be fast, up to 2 to the power of 15. It will be a like huge calculation. For 32 bits also, there is a huge calculation for everything, for different classes and for different subnettings. But if I am going for 128 bits, now we are not talking for 128 bits, but if I am trying to solve it, I can solve it like one.
So it's again in the form of octet, or it is something like that, hexadecimal or something?
Yeah, it will be for hexadecimal, because see, why we are telling it octet, because yeah, its range is vast now. Why we are telling it 8? Because why we are telling it octet? Because range is 8.
I thought we are telling it octet because there is 8 binary numbers. Right?
Yeah, see, binary, yeah.
So it's a group of 8 group of 4 hexadecimal.
No, 6 group of. See, this is version 6. Yeah, 4 hexadecimal digit, each group representing 16 bits. That's what I am telling.
That's what hexadecimal.
Yeah, that will be hexadecimal, not the octet. See, we have 4 binary, like octet, decimal, and hexadecimal. Binary is only base is 2. Octet base is 8, 0 to 7. So we will be working from anything calculation will be from 0 to 7. And decimal is base is 9, 0 to base is 9, 0 to 9. And hexadecimal base is 60, 0 to 15. Okay. Okay, but we are not solving it for 128 bits. I am telling you for the 32 bits. So it will be 4 octets and the range will be 0 to 7. Hello, this is Rahul. Rahul, you have inquired for ethical hacking. So because we are working for the 8 bits and we have binary always has two digits like 0 and 1. That's why base of binary is always will be always 2. So 2 to the power 8. So we have total number of 256 of ranges. So that only for that we can divide here. If it is 8, it will be 8 because these are octets. It is also 8, it is also 8, it is also 8, and it is also 8. So total number of numbers we will be having here for here also 255, 255, 255, and 255. According to the and always my first octet will be showing my network ID and my last block will be showing my broadcast ID always. For example, total number of IPs if I will be having 4096. Then I will say that total number of IP that I can assign for that this number will be 4094 because always I will be minusing 2 from my total number of IP available for me because always I have to assign one for my network ID and one for my broadcast ID. Okay, now we will see the class division of my
So when you say the first is network ID and the last is broadcast ID. So if I have a IP of 192.168.0.0 is the range.
Yeah.
That means 0.0 would be the first IP, that is the network IP.
Yeah.
And .255.255 is the
my
broadcast IP.
Yeah, that my that class
So
division.
if I send a message on a broadcast IP, so all the IP in that range would be receiving that message.
Yeah. Okay. So like that's why now what we are doing the classes division, it will be from 1 to 254, not from 0 to 255. Because 0 is my
So
always
even
assigned.
1 to 254 are 255 IP, or is it?
No, it don't be 255. See, we have 256 total because of 2 to the power 8. Now I am minusing 2. It will be 254. Why I am minusing 2?
One for the network
And one for the broadcast. One is 0. Means ranges from 0 to 255. Okay,
It has to be go for 1 to 254, right?
Yeah. So my class division will be from 1 to 254, not from 0 to 255. Class A. Okay. It will be 1 to 126. My class B will be 128 to 191. My class C will be 192 to 223. Class D will be 224 to 239.
Why not from 127 to 191?
Yeah, that is I will finish. Why it is not? It will be 240 to 254. Okay. See, this is my class division. Like from my range of 1 to 1 to 254 that is available for me for the 32 bits. Okay. So these class D and class D are for the special purpose that we are not using. We are maybe working only for the class A, class B, class C. Special purpose means for research using by the IS organizations or ISRO organization, NASA they are using and they are saying for that they are not available normally for us. For if we are working, we will be working only for class A, class B, and class C. Now the thing is that why I am not taking 127 in my ranges. I am taking only from 126 and from then I am starting from 128. So my 127 is my loopback ID or I can say it is my testing ID. For example, if you have taken Wi-Fi connection from BSNL, okay, and now there is some problem for that. Now you will call there, one person will come and will check for something. From what he will be checking? We will having a data center from there, every Wi-Fi and every connections are there, they are related to there. That whatever the total number of IP that will be available for that in the data center, but it's not R now. They will assign only one to us. Okay, how will they check that what is the problem? If they will check from the main IP, ठीक है, अगर जैसे कि डेटा सेंटर है, वहां पर जहां से हमने जो अपना कनेक्शन ले रखा है वाईफाई का, अगर कोई पर्सन आता है और वो चेक करता है कि हमारे जो वाईफाई कनेक्शन है उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है, अगर वो पर्टिकुलर पूरे डेटा सेंटर की आईपी डाल के आईपी एड्रेस डाल के चेक करेगा, तो यू विल बी नोइंग दैट व्हाट इज द मेन आईपी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर डेटा सेंटर, तो आप तो पूरा वाईफाई को यूज कर पाओगे। तो जब भी कुछ चेकिंग के लिए टेस्टिंग पर्पस के लिए होता है, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट वी विल बी यूजिंग ओनली 127। ओके, एंड दैट हैकर्स आर देयर, कि अगर हमें किसी की आईपी को हैक करना, तो जो स्टार्ट वो करते हैं, वो जो स्टार्ट करते हैं वो 127 से स्टार्ट करते हैं, they will be checking only from that 127. It's 127 is very helpful for the hackers also.
So it's a kind of publicly open gateway.
Yeah,
Entire range.
entire range. And like for testing, for loop backing ID, for like.
So what if I ping any IP range of 127 from my computer, then what would happen?
Let's see if we are checking.
I'm sorry, I'm not a good student.
It's okay. I am checking.
127. Let's say 220.9.67. From where we are getting response, how to find out?
Reply from byte 32, time 1 second, TTL 128.
It's just pinging, but this is not in our IP range.
Yeah.
Yes, so that means it is pinging to
any of them. We don't know. If you want to hack any IP, then we can check from this. Like you want to hack my IP address for what I am working. You can like try from this.
You should know the technology, hacking technology.
Yeah, hacking technology. I think okay, we will join that class too. So, for like knowing purpose only 127, we can say it is a loopback ID, or we can say it is a testing. Okay. Now, if you are talking about what is subnetting, so total number of IPs you can get from each class. Any class or each class, total number of IP addresses you can get, I can say that it is a subnetting. There are two types of subnetting. One is classless and one is classful. जो classful है, I can say that my classful is default. Everything will be there by default. We don't have to calculate anything. Okay. Charge. Okay. So if I am telling about the subnetting is number of IP address you can get from each class divides between the network and broadcast ID. So I have two kinds. One is classless and second is classful. If I am telling classless, its another name is full length subnet mask. And classful, its name is variable length subnet mask. In full length subnet mask, what we have by default, it will be like that only. The values will be like that only. In variable length subnet mask, I can make the subnetting, I can make the range of IPs, I can calculate how many IPs can be available for that range, for that subnetting, and what is my CIDR.
Hello? हाँ sir. Okay sir, मैं save कर लिया. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Then after that, if I am telling about class A, class B, and class C, now we are only talking about the class 2. Okay. Right now, If I am telling about the ranges and about the total number of IPs available here, so I can go for C, class A, for class A, okay, 255.0.0.0. For class A, I will always be having one network ID and three hosts. And whatever network ID is, it is constant. I cannot change it. And my hosts are changeable. Any values, whatever the range I will be having, I can assign that number to add. So class A, I will be having one network and three hosts. Now,
Yeah, good morning, sir.
okay, I will be having one network and three hosts for my class A. See, if I am talking about class B, so I will be having two networks and two hosts. Means how will I write 255.255.0.0? Okay, I will be having two networks and two hosts. I can say if for easy understandable language, I can say network is constant and hosts are changeable. Right? We can change the values of the host, but network is fixed. It will be 255. So one, if it is one network, it is class A. If it is two network, two hosts, it is class B. And if it is three networks and only one host, it will be class C. 255 or 255.255.0. It will be three networks and one host. Now, if I'm saying number of IP addresses for available for that class A, class B, class C, so I have that division also number of total IP addresses for that. Okay. If I'm saying the total number of IPs that are available for me in whole network till now, they are 4, 294, 967, 296. These are the total IPs that are available. From these total number of IPs, we are dividing for class A, class B, class C, class D and class E, and now we are not using. So, for class A, total number of IPs available, class A, total number of IPs available are 1, 67, 77, 214. Now, how we are calculating it? The total number of IPs is this much. Because I told you, for class A, my like voice is there, no? Okay. Now I said, like for class A, we will be having one network and three hosts. So network was 255. Anyhow, it's not changeable. But I had three hosts, so that will be changeable and all. I can assign total number of IPs for that. So I have three hosts. That's why I'm calculating total number of IPs for my class A according to that only. Means 254 like into 254 into 254 into 254. This is my total number of IPs that are available for class A. Like this I am calculating. Now if I am talking about class B, so total number available are 65534. How I am calculating this also? Because my class B has two networks and two hosts. Two hosts, obviously, they are changeable in nature. So I am doing 254 into 254. And if I am telling about class C, so normally I have 254 total number of IPs for my class C because I have only one host for my class C. So these are the total assigned value, obviously defined value for my class full, that is full length subnet mask. Anything I am not calculating. Okay. Now if I am talking about my classless thing that is classless inter-domain routing. Its name is CIDR. How to calculate? CIDR, classless inter-domain routing. Okay. Okay. Now, again I will be working for my classes. So if I'm telling about class A, so my division is 8 because I had only one network and 3 hosts. So according to that only, we are linking from our class full, but we will be calculating here. So 8, 0, 0, 0. Its CIDR is \8. Okay. Now class B, it will be having 8, yeah, 8, uh, 8, 0, 0, \60. Class C, it will be having 8, 8, 8, 0, means \24. And last one is, last one should be 32 anyhow. 8, 8, 8, 8, it should be 32. Then also its CIDR we will be telling \30, not \32. 8, 8, 8, 8. According to maths also it should be \32, but it is \30. Why? Because we don't have any number of IPs available for 31 and 32. When we will be calculating, we will be knowing that why my IPs are not available for 31 and 32. Okay. So this is the range. If I'm telling about the range for my class A, range will be \8 to \15. For my this thing class B, it will be \16 to \23. For my this thing \24 to \30 will be the range. After that, for class B, only \30. Now we can solve for one CIDR. Like what should be the IP, what should be the subnet mask, and what are the total number of IPs can be available for that backslash. It's not reading. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. We will solve an example, then we will come to know how we are calculating for the classless. If I have \20, only \20, how will I calculate everything for my CIDR \20? Okay. First of all, I have to make it division like up to 20 because I have \20 and I will be having only 4 octets to work on. Means maximum range of my number will be from up to 8. So I will be doing 8.8.4 by 8860 for 20, then 0. Now, according to the whatever I have available for this 8, its range is 0 to 256, and we know 0 to 255. So for this 8, I can say this 255, it is not changeable, it's constant. For this 8 also, it will be 255, it's constant. Now for 4, how will I assign? Now I know that I am working for the range of 0 to 7. To calculate it, I will be writing something here. How to calculate? Okay. 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power, sorry, 6, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1, and last 2 to the power 0. I have this thing. Okay. I have this thing available. For 8, I know I can assign 255 and that will be not changeable. For this 8 also I can give 255 and it will be not changeable. For 4, I don't know what should be the value come here. But it is 4 and we have division like 0 to 7 because we are working for the octets and that too binary. That's why I am giving the power of 2 because binary has only two digits 0 and 1. So what I will be doing, I will give, because I have 4, many times we did this mistake, we start from right side, but we should start from left. If I will start giving 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to here, up to 4, and remaining will be 0. It will be wrong calculation. You always should solve from this side. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, because I have 4 and 4 zeros. Now, because I have 4, 1, I will be calculating 2 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 5 and plus 2 to the power 4. Means, how can I get the value? 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16. How much it will be? I think so it will be 240. Okay. So it is 240. Now I know the range of my IP. How can I, or what, up to what I can give. So it can be finally 250, sorry, 255.255.240.0. Simple. Now I don't know how many number of IPs I can generate from this range. So for that I need to solve it again. I will be doing 32 minus 20. Why I am minusing from 32? Because we are working for the 32-bit, because we are working for the IPv4. If I will be working for the IPv4 6, I will be subtracting from 128. So 32 minus 20 will be 12. Now again, I have to calculate it with the power of 2. Everything will be, I have to calculate with the power of 2 because of binary. So it can be 4096. But I will not say that I have total number of IP available 4096 because we know one will be assigned for network and one will be assigned for broadcast. So total number of IPs I will be having only that can be 409. So like this, we can calculate subnets, we can calculate number of IPs I can generate from my available CIDR. And if I have to go back, means if I have available total number of clients or total number of IPs, for that I need one CID. So I have to do it whole reverse. For that also we will see one example. Okay. Now I am saying that I have 500 clients. For example, if you are opening one company and you have some number of computer available there and you have some number of workers available there, if you have to purchase some kind of like some ranges of IP from the network, like you can go for the classes. If you want only 500, obviously you can go for the range of class B, I think so, na? Because class C has 254 available here. And if you want only 200 or if you want only 300, if you are purchasing the for class B, it will be totally waste, right? And if you have 500 clients, you can think like for what CIDR you should be working, right? So if I have 500 of client, I should know what CIDR I should be having, and for that I should calculate my subnet and everything. So like I will calculate it reverse. First of all, I had one CIDR. What was \20 or anything? For anything we can calculate in the same way. Now I have total number of IPs I can see, and then I have to calculate CIDR available for C. Again, I will be doing the same binary calculation, same like 2 to the power. Now again I have to write. Okay. So first thing is that we forgot to calculate one thing in previous Wala session. What was that? I already said that there is no IP available for 31 and 32. Why it was like that? I said that I can calculate by minusing my number of CIDR. So if I have 32 and if I have CIDR \32, I will be subtracting from 32 minus 32, it will be 0. And if I am doing 2 to the power of 0, I will be having only 1. It is I can't say that it is my total number of IPs available. Anyhow, I have to reserve 2. After that, I can say that it is total number of IPs available to me. So anyhow, 32 to \32 is cannot exist. If I am working for 31 also, then it will be 2. Now, oh sorry, 1. It will be 2 to the power of 1. So total number of IPs I can say 2. Now 1 I have to assign for network, 1 I have to assign for broadcast, 0 I will be. So for 31 and 32 there is no such kind of backslash available. Total number of IPs available in that is 0. So we can't work for it. Now if I have to calculate my CIDR for my 500 of clients, see here. I can see I can choose 2 to the power of 8. How I can choose? See here. Yeah. So here I can see the values. Okay, this is 1024. This is 512. This is 256. This is 128. This is 64. This is 32. This is 16. This is 8. This is 4. This is 2. And this is 1. Okay, fine. See here. 2 to the power 8 is 256. First of all, we know what we have learned till now, we know class C. Total number of IPs available here is 254. Okay, and that too class C, CIDR was \24. This is the thing that we know, right? Earlier. So 2 to the power 8 is 256. I can say that its CIDR is \24. Why? Because 256 is here. One will be my network and one will be my broadcast. So total number of IPs that will be available for me will be 254. So I can say my \24 is the CIDR for my 2 to the power of 8 or 256. Right now, I can say now. Okay. So because of this logic, I can say my this thing is \24. Now, according to this, if I am going, this will be my \23. Sorry, \24. 5. This will be my backslash 26. After that, my backslash 27. Then this will be 28, 29, 30. And for these two, because total number of IPs are not available for 2 or 1, right? So till here it will be backslash 30. This side I can go up to backslash of 1 also, because backslash 24, backslash 23, 22, 21, 20, like up to 1 I can go. I can give the range. This is my backslash 24, so that because of this thing I know this is my backslash 23. For my backslash 23, 512 total number of IPs available for me. For sure, if I want 5 for 500 of clients, I can go for backslash 23. I can say for total number of IPs, if I want to be available 512, I can go for CIDR backslash 23. If you want to solve for backslash 23, again, we can solve and we can see the answer will be 5.2. How? See here, 8. Sorry. See here, 8, 8, 7, 0, right? 255, 255. For 7, if I'm calculating how much will be there, like 128,
1
I think so 252.
I have to convert.
252.
7 ones and 1 0, right?
Yeah.
254. 254.
254. Okay, fine. Yeah, only one is not there. No. Okay. Dot 0. See, this the total number of things we have available. Okay, so because I had 23, I will, if I want to calculate the total number of IPs available for backslash 23, I will be minusing 32 minus 23. Then
255 we cannot take, right?
where?
255.255.255 we cannot take.
Why? We can take, it depends upon class. If it is in class C, it will be like 255, 255, 255, and then something. See, if I'm dividing it for like 8, 8, 8, it will be 24. If I'm solving for backslash 29, it will be 8, 8, 8, and then last one will be, I think so, 5, right? So it will be 255.255.255. Then for last thing 5, I have to 32 minus 23 is what? 9. Right, no? 9. No? Then 2 to the power of 9 is finally 5 by 2. We started from here and we finally reached. So now finally IP addresses are of two types, permanent and temporary. Permanent, if I am saying, that is MAC address. That is, what is the full form of MAC? Media access control. Right? Yeah,
Probably yes.
And second one is temporary, that is our IP, that is Internet Protocol. I'm working for IPv4, that is 32 bits are available. I will be having 4 blocks of octaves. That too from 0 to 7 will be available. For that, if I am doing 2 to the, I will be calculating everything from the 2 to the power, because I am working for the binary. Binary has base of 2 because 0 and 1, 2 digits are only available for the binary. It will be 2 to the power of everything. So I have total number of IPs that available, range is available, that will be from 0 to 256 for each of the octave. So I have divided classes according to that, but I will be dividing from 1 to 254, not from 0 to 255, because always my first one will be my network ID and last one will be my broadcast ID. If I'm okay, so ranges we know 1 to 126, 128 to 191, and 127 we are not taking because it is a testing or loopback. If I'm telling about subnet, so total number of IPs you can get from any class. For that, I can say it is a subnet. Subnet masks are of two types. One is classful, one is classless. For classful, By default, total number of IPs are there, and we are calculating it upon depending upon the number of network and hosts. For class A one network, 3 hosts, I am multiplying 3 hosts, 254, 254, 254. What the total digit I am getting? It is the total number of IP available for my class A, because hosts are changeable in nature and networks are constant. Like that, I have available class A, class B, class C total number of IPs. Finally, I have classless. For the classless, again, I am giving the CIDR, that is classless interdomain routing, backslash 8, like 8.0.0.0, backslash 8, backslash 16, backslash 24, backslash 30. That are also in the range, class backslash 8 to backslash 15, backslash 16 to backslash 23, and 31 and 32 we are not taking because zero number of IPs available for us. Now, if we are calculating from CIDR to the total number of IPs or total number of IPs to the CIDR, that also we have seen.
Stop. Challenge.